Hey, welcome to the channel. Behind me, a 71 Plymouth Cuda tribute car here. Born as a Barracuda, now been resto modded to be the baddest Cuda you could ever dream of. We've got a hefty 440 under the hood. It's got all the fixings and creature comforts you could ever want. Tune in as we go all the way around this new arrival here. We're gonna fire it up. The weather's good. We're gonna go for a drive, let you hear this big black chop. Kicking things off up front. We know this car was restored in 2022, and it shows the front end free of stone chips. This inviolate purple is what they call on the Plymouth, this plum crazy color. Looks awesome. There's no chips. The chrome is excellent. The lights, the grill, everything in great shape. That lower valance with the turn indicators down there, that's looking like $1 million too. And you can see a little bit of an aluminum radiator. Let's see what that is keeping cool in here. Woo! That's a beauty. Very well dressed 440. See, it's got a 4-barrel on top and has a nice CVF billet front drive on it. All 6-rib converted. This is equipped with power steering, Wilwood Power Disc Brakes, vintage AC. We have an aluminum radiator right here with not only the clutch mechanical fan, but we have dual electrics up front. These will kick on when you hit that air on. Make sure everything's blowing through that condenser nice and your AC is actually blowing cold. Inner fenders, firewall, underside of this hood. Paint looks excellent all the way around town. I'm really digging it. And there's some pretty choice Mopar parts on this thing as well. Like that intake, the valve covers, the breathers, lots of nice little touches. Show you this hood closing up. Woo! Our hood sits down and the fender's nice. We have good consistent gap all the way around. Shooting down the side, gorgeous Cuda fender. Hot 17-inch Mopar Rallye wheel. These are from year 1, wrapped in new Toyo tires. This is a 225/60 R17, and you see the Wilwood 4-piston calipers through the spoke. Nice, flush, and consistent gaps from top to bottom. Painted mirrors, excellent glass, which looks to be new. Got our 440 Billboard graphic on this car. Looks very hot. Out back here, same matching Toyo tire. Wilwood brakes out back as well. Got the satin finish on the tail panel. I love the dual exhaust exiting from the valance just like a Cuda should. And this deck lid seems to be fitting good, as does that spoiler with the right finish on it too. All right, and clean, nicely trimmed out trunk. Looks like a new seal. Deck lid's in nice shape as well. All right, we'll roll down the passenger side. Nice and straight, graphic looking good once more. Wheel arch molding looks great. Rear glass and package tray looks nice. So we've got a couple speakers back there. Top of the seat is not worse for wear. That looks to be new. Nice slick top on here. Bright work all around the glass looks good. Dual mirror car. Fender mounted antenna, which is functional. And again, with those 4 gills, this is a really sharp looking car. Wow, really smooth action on these doors. Inner door lips look incredible. These door cards look brand new because they are, as are the door releases, the window cranks, sill plates for that matter. Freshly recovered buckets looking like $1 million. Beautiful carpet kit in here with the correct mats. Oh, we've got a set of Dakota Digitals in here. I see we got the vintage AC controls. All beautiful things. Top of this dash pad looks to be new. There is no blemishes. We got the speaker tray up top. Just below that, nice clean simple glove compartment. Our AC vents down here. Ashtray with the cigarette lighter. Pioneer radio. Full console with the Slap Stik shifter. Glove box door. Crack free with the clicker for the Pioneer head unit. We've got seat belts over here. These are shoulder belts that are fitted with. Seat backs look like $1 million. Those ought to be brand new. I like what they've done with the addition of these retractable shoulder belts. These get the job done, keeping you safe. Rear cards look like $1 million. Rear seat looks like $1 million. Headliner is good and tight. Dome light working. All our visors are here looking good. They're actually firm and not flopping around. No delamination on the mirror. cruises nicely. And I've noticed sometimes doing these cars up, you throw the whole catalog at them and they end up riding like race cars. This thing still rolls smooth. It is not overdone. It's just got a little bit of everything you need to have a dependable and far more capable 71 Plymouth, I think at least. Exhaust sounds good. It's been running good. Our gauges are all accurate up here in front of me. We had the alignment performed on this. Track straight. Barely any pressure on this brake pedal, and those power brakes bring her to a stop. This has a hydro boost setup on it. Given we've got a little extra cam going, not the right amount of vacuum to make a booster work effectively, we've got a hydro boost, which is kick butt. Very comfortable. Shoulder belts are a nice touch. Very functional shoulder belts, and the retractor felt good. I said it earlier. Mirror works great, and it's not bouncing around. Visors aren't falling down on our face. Everything is on the up and up in here. We'll try this radio here in just a moment. We got some window cranks. Regulators feel new. Glass looks brand new. Good deal. Shifted second. Shifted third. No aggressive shift kit in here. It's quite smooth. Alright, and we're rolling at 60 miles an hour. Just a couple fingers on the wheel. This car is very straight. You point it where you want it to go and it's going to go there. It's not all over the road. Brakes feel good. Front and rear speakers working great. If you want to know anything more, you can always check the link we drop in the description. That will bring you to our website where you can view the full listing. That'll have the 100+ picture gallery, photos underneath it, a breakdown of where it's been and what has been done. I know too, we also have some pictures of this car throughout the restoration process. Really, really slick paint and body, car out of California. If you want to dial us up at any time, you can do so. It's 248-714-2110, or hit our email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Like, subscribe, and share if you like what you saw and want to see more of it. We got hot, pretty rides like this coming in all the time around here. Thank you from LaFontaine Classic Cars. My name is Mackenzie. We'll see you guys in a cool car soon.